Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Panera Bread, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, identify your weekly or monthly food budget. Consider how often you plan to eat out at Panera Bread. Review your basic expenses to understand how much you can allocate for dining. Visit the Panera Bread website or app to explore their menu and pricing. Make a list of your favorite items and their prices. Set a spending limit for each visit based on your overall budget. Before heading out, check for any promotional offers or discounts. Consider downloading the Panera app for exclusive deals and rewards. Plan your meals around the items that fit your budget. If you're dining with others, discuss a shared budget beforehand. Choose items that provide value, like combo meals or seasonal specials. Keep track of your orders and spending using a simple notebook or app. If possible, schedule regular visits to stay within your budget limits. Try to utilize leftovers by saving any extra food for later. Review your spending at the end of each week or month to assess your budgeting success. Adjust your budget or choices as needed based on your findings. With practice, budgeting at Panera Bread can become a seamless part of your routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.